Hello and welcome. In this video series, Basics of Futures and Options, I will teach you everything that you need to know before you start your journey of trading in futures and options. This knowledge of futures and options is necessary if you want to start trading them. Okay? Now, it does not matter from which country you are from because the concepts that I will be teaching you in this video series will apply in the same way for derivatives throughout the world. I may explain by taking my currency as an example, but all you need to do is change the currency to the currency of your country, and that is all. I have created this series to help the people who trade in futures and options without knowing the core concepts and thus making a loss. Okay? So this is the content of this video series. First 10 videos will be about futures, wherein we will learn what futures are and how they work. And then remaining 15 videos are about options. Here we will learn what really is a call option and what really is a put option, and also we will learn the mechanism behind it. Okay, so you can pause the screen and look at the content if you want to, and if you're done, we will start with our first lesson wherein we will answer the question, what is a derivative? Now, to explain you the concept of a derivative, I'm going to take few examples. All right. Now, milk. All right. From milk, we make butter, curd or yogurt, and also cheese. Right. So from milk, we get all these. Or we can say these are derived from milk. Butter, yogurt, cheese are derived from milk. So, whenever the price of milk increases, the price of all the derivatives also increases. Okay? So, if the price of milk increases, the price of butter, yogurt and cheese also increases. And in the same way, if the price of milk decreases, then the price of butter, yogurt and cheese also decreases. Alright? So these are derived from this, or these are the derivatives. Okay? Next example, we have cotton. From cotton, we make shirts and also other cotton items. So when there is a price variation in cotton, it affects these two. If the price of cotton increases, then the price of the products derived from the cotton increases. If the price of cotton decreases, then the price of the items derived from cotton decreases. Okay? So these two are derivatives of cotton. Cotton is the underlying asset. Milk is the underlying asset. These are the derivatives. Okay? One more example. We have oil, and from oil we get petrol or diesel. Okay? Gas or diesel. So, if the price of oil increases, then the price of petrol or diesel also increases. If the price of oil decreases, then the price of petrol or diesel also decreases. So this is the underlying asset. and these are the derivatives, or these are derived from oil. Okay, these are derived from oil. And in the same way, these are derived from these. Forwards, swaps, futures, and options are derived from these: currency, commodity, shares, and indexes. Okay, these are underlying assets. So, when the price of these increases, then the price of these also increases. Okay, when the price of these decreases, the value of these also decreases. Okay, so basically the variation in the price of underlying assets impact the price of derivatives. Okay, now let me take an example. This is asset and this is derivative. Okay, now shares or stocks of Infosys is the underlying asset. You can buy the stocks of Infosys on a stock exchange through a broker. Okay, this is the asset, and derived from this asset is this. This is a bundle of Infosys stocks. Okay, and is a bundle of 1000 Infosys stocks. Okay, you can buy this on a stock exchange too. All right, next, this is the asset. Okay, shares or stocks of Toyota. You can buy this on a stock exchange, and derived from this is this. This is a bundle of Toyota stocks, and this is a bundle of 200 Toyota stocks. This can also be bought from a stock exchange. Okay, now if the price of Infosys stock goes up, then the price of the derivative also goes up. If the price of the Infosys stock goes down, then the price or value of this derivative also goes down. Same is the true for this too. In other words, the price variation of the underlying asset impacts the price of derivative. Okay, now the assets are real and without expiry, whereas the derivatives are conceptual with expiry, meaning you can buy the stocks of Infosys, Toyota, or any other company and have them in your portfolio for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, or till the company closes. Whereas the derivatives have an expiry date. It may be weekly expiry or monthly expiry. And after the expiry, the derivatives are of no use. Okay? Now you can see this in your portfolio. So these are real, whereas these are just contracts. These are conceptual. These are like promise. Okay? You cannot see them. This is just a word. Alright? These are real things without expiry, and these are with expiry. Okay? So we will learn in detail about these in the future lessons. Now do not worry much about them. Okay? Now the derivatives are of mainly 4 types: future, a future contract or a forward contract, option, and swap. Okay, now future and forward are almost similar. All right, future and forward are almost similar. Swap is something else, something different. Okay? In the next video, I'll explain you how a swap and a forward works. Okay? Just for the sake of knowledge. Forward is almost obsolete now. Alright? Future is a form of forward. Swaps still exist, but we as retail traders do not trade in them. Okay? Now, the main derivatives that the common people trade are in futures and options. Okay? So, we'll consider these. So, futures and options are the main derivatives in which common people trade. Now, you can buy a future or you can sell a future. Alright? Now, once again, do not worry much about this because this is an introductory lesson. As we proceed, we will learn about these in detail. Okay? And in options, you have two types, call option and a put option. And you can buy a call option or sell a call option. And in the same way, you can buy a put option or you can sell a put option. Alright? So in future, you have just buy and sell, whereas in option, you have call and put, where in both you can buy or sell them. Alright? Yes. So this video series is about futures. We will learn about futures in detail in this video series. Alright? Yes. So I hope you have understood what a derivative is. In the next video, we'll see in brief what swaps and forward contracts are, and then continue our journey on futures. Alright? So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.